Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So today is the day 5th of this English series which I am running on this channel, and in these videos there will be 10 videos and I will try to solve each type of questions so that you people can understand and it will help you in the examination. Second thing is that if you want to connect to me, then I have given my link, telegram channel link in the description. From there you can go and join my channel, and if you have any doubt and any query regarding the preparation, you can simply ask, and I try to reply to all the genuine queries. Okay, and if you want to purchase this book, then you will find the link in the description. From there you can go and purchase. So today we are going to solve 5 questions. So first of all, we will read the instructions. In the question given below, a sentence is given and it is divided in 3 parts. For each part, a correction statement is also given. You have to determine which part requires correction and mark it as your answer. So we have to replace the incorrect part. Okay. First of all, we will read and we will try to apply our grammar rules. Okay. And if we are able to find something, then we will check it in the options and then we will move forward with our answer. So first is the government has lent. The government has lent millions of pounds to debt-ridden banks in contravention of local banking laws. So here, first of all, the government has lent. Lend means when we give something, like when we give money at interest. Okay, it means lend. So lend is first form, but here has is used, so we need the third form. So the third form of lend is lend, lent, lent. So here lent should be used. So there is error in this part. And then the government has lent millions. So first we will need, okay, we will mark first because we will correct the first part of pounds in debt return banks. When we lend something, we lend it to someone. Okay, we do not lend off, we lend it to. हम किसी को पैसे देते हैं, ठीक है, ना कि किसी पर पैसे देते हैं. तो वी lend millions of pounds to debt ridden. Okay, so it is correct. देन कॉन्ट्रावेंशन ऑफ लोकल बैंकिंग लॉज, ये भी सही है, कॉन्ट्रावेंशन ऑफ लोकल बैंकिंग लॉज. ओके, सो देयर इज एरर इन ओनली फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड हेयर डी विल बी आवर आंसर बिकॉज वी विल ओनली रिप्लेस डी, sorry, first part. Then there is this question, is it is the same. Okay, a charismatic leader mesmerizes the electorate, strikes an emotional chord to the masses and blurs the distinction between the leader and the people led by him. So we will read the options now. A charismatic leader mesmerizes the electorate. So here it is same, no changes. So then strikes an emotional chord with the masses. Here we have found with the masses and strikes an emotional chord to the masses. So here with the masses will be correct. Okay, to the masses is incorrect because we strike something to, something with, sorry, strike an emotional chord with masses, we strike something with something. Okay, so 2 is wrong here, with will be the right answer. And blurs the distinction between the leader and the people led by him. Yeah, here lead by him is wrong because the second form of lead is led. Led. So the people are led by him, not lead. Okay, so led means when the someone is leading the people. So led is right. So here second and third has the correction. We will mark our answer as D because both second and third has the error. Okay. Then there is this, fill in the blanks. You dash your report by this time next week. It means that the sentence is in future tense, that you dash your report by this time next week. It is going to happen in future. You have not submitted your report till now, but you will submit it in future. And The person who is saying, he is telling you that you should submit the report by this time in next week. So you have finished, it means it has already been finished, it is wrong. Then you has, it is also wrong, because with you we always use have, but this is not making the sense. Then you will have finished, you will have finished your report by this time next week. It is correct that by this time next week you will have finished your report. Okay, it is, he is saying that नेक्स्ट वीक तक तुम अपनी रिपोर्ट सबमिट कर चुके होगे, तो यू विल हैव फिनिश्ड योर रिपोर्ट बाय दिस टाइम नेक्स्ट वीक, इट इज़ राइट. देन यू वुड हैव फिनिश्ड, इट इज़ टेकिंग इन पास्ट, दैट यू, तुम कर चुके होते, but it is wrong because next week is written. Then you have been finished, it is totally wrong. So here C will be our right answer. Then there is I like dash for a walk. So it is very easy. I like going for a walk. There is no need of any rule or any, this is very basic question. Then next question is he took down the photos and dashed them in the corner. So he took down, it means it is second form, so we need the second form here also. Okay, if it is in past, took down the photos, first he took down the photos and then what he did, we have to find the answer of what he did. It means we are using did, it means we have to find the second form. Was taking, wrong, because this is a continuous process. When we use was plus ing, it is a continuous process, but it is wrong because he has already did that. Then is stacking is totally wrong because we read that. Then stacked, was stacked is wrong because was stacked means he was stacked. Okay, he was himself stacked, he did not stack the photo, he was himself stacked, so it is not making any sense. Been stacked is also wrong, so here C will be our right answer, stacked, that first he took down the photo and then stacked them in the corner. So these are the 5 questions for today, and if you like these videos then please try to write in the comment section that these videos are helpful for you, and I will try to solve the mains level questions also. Okay, so do not worry about that, I will solve mains level RC also. And second thing is that I am not a teacher. Okay, so please try to, if I have done any mistake then please try to forgive me. And that is all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.